Welcome back to the third episode. And it's amazing that we're in the same exact clothes.
Same exact thing.
Unbelievable. Same exact positioning and everything. You know,
Cards.
opening up Walgreens 50 football cards with 2 packs inside. Let's go. Let's crack it. If we can. We worked out since last week, so this should be a lot easier this time. We're jacked. Oh my God. No, you start because I'm not even open yet. If we get another no pack, I'm going to be pissed.
All right, here we go. Allen Robinson, rookie card. That's pretty cool.
This pack is filthy. What do you have? I'm sorry.
Allen Robinson, 2014 rookie card.
That's cool. Put that.
That's a Penn State card.
Yeah.
I know a guy that would love this card.
Okay, first up.
Ooh, look at this one.
I'm going to start with the flashback and work my way over. I'm gonna get Dick Buckets out of the way. There he is.
Here's a classic Randy Moss as I drop it.
It's PSA 7.
Randy Moss.
What year is that?
1984.
84.
No, 2007. I'm sorry. It's number 84.
We have another Chase Claypool rookie.
This is a Mike Coffer. You know who Mike Coffer is?
Oh, Mike Koff. Denzel Mims. There he is.
Oh, he's back. Eric Moten.
Ooh, that's a rookie. There he is. My guy, Jake Fromm from State Farm.
Dave Maggette. Punt returner on the Giants. This is a cool card. It's like old.
Brian Edwards rookie. Oh, there's a short card in here.
A 1990 score card.
Brian Edwards. I wonder what the short card is. I kind of want to cut to it. I'm going to play the pack out. All right, you're up.
Ryan Noble. The Patriots. Packers.
We have Deshaun Jackson Jr.
Mr. New York himself, Tony Bennett.
Ooh. He takes the ferry over St. George Theater every year. We have Adam Campman.
And Irving Fryer.
Oh, big Irving guy.
Big Friars Club guy.
We have Bernard Berrien.
Roderick Thomas.
No, I can't say his name. Nadam Ukamsu. Rookie.
Excellent. Johnson.
We have a Jason Campbell.
Very nice.
All the rookies.
Oh, nice. A little Brian Urlacher never hurt anybody.
Ooh, that's my guy. I love Brian. That's a cool card. Put that in the cool pile. We have Ed Dixon, rookie. That's a cool
Hey,
card.
didn't you get him before? That was Anthony, I think. You got
Yeah.
before.
No, Ed Dixon's good. That's a good one.
Marquise Goodwin.
Okay. I like that. We have James Jones, wide receiver.
Very nice. This is just an NFC Championship Cup.
Yay. Roy Williams.
Cool.
I like Roy Williams.
Deion Sanders.
What?
1995. That's cool.
That's a cool card. Put that in the cool pile. Braylon Edwards.
Brian Millard.
Malarkey. Another Brian Urlacher.
Very nice.
Not as cool as yours, but he's on the cool pile because he's Ryan Urlacher.
Greg Jones.
Who? Mike
Greg Jones, linebacker of the Redskins. This is a rookie card.
Can't say the Redskins. You can't say the Redskins.
We were the Redskins once.
It's the Washington football team. We have a Dustin Keller.
No way.
What?
Kareem Abdul-Jabbar?
He
This
played-
can't be. He played. No, it can't be the same Kareem Abdul-Jabbar.
No.
Especially in the 90s. No, that doesn't make sense.
No. It's very funny, though. Kareem.
No, Kareem Abdul-Jabbar was already retired from basketball by the time this guy was born.
Maybe he started a football career. This is Kareem Abdul-Kareem Al-Jabbar. Ooh, one of my favorite special teams players, Devin Heston.
Ooh, very special team.
He is.
Pete Monty of the New York Giants.
That's some shoulder pads. My God. Abram Elam.
Nice. Johnny Morton.
Cool. Adrian Wilson.
Cool. Ray Caruth.
Caruth. Justin Fournette.
Coy Detmer.
I don't know who any of these people are.
Yeah.
Aqib Talib.
Very nice. Johnny Hector. This is an old card. Card is from the early 80s.
Why? Matt Leinart. He was supposed to be good. Matt Leinart. He was supposed to be good. And then
He was right of the early 80s on the Browns. He was a safety.
Santana Moss.
Nice. A name we know.
A name I know.
Jeff Lageman.
There's definitely some cool ones coming up I'm very excited
These
about.
are old cards.
Bryant Johnson. All right, we're getting to the cool stuff.
Nice.
I'm going to face these down because the one after this is a little card. I don't know what it is. I don't want to see it.
Cedric Irvin.
Ooh. All right. We have James Jett.
Related to Joan. Yep.
What?
I got Jerry Rice.
That's cool.
That's fun.
All right, here's a little card. Oh.
You know, little card.
It's a looking card.
Oh, that's cool.
I thought it would be somebody cool. I don't know who Larry Centers is.
That's smaller than the other cards?
Look, it's...
Oh, wow. That's interesting. Owen Daniels, tight end.
Bernie Kosar. Cool card.
Wes Welker. I think I had that one before.
Jay Cutler.
Butler, the Bears.
He's going to be good.
Mercedes Lewis.
Ooh. We got another Stephon Diggs for the sophomore year, though.
Diggs. Gordon Shipley.
Cool. Panini contenders. Here we go. Vincent Jackson.
Jax. Felix Jones from Cowboys.
Danny Amendola.
Nice. Brian Bulaga. I think I got him last time. Or
Bulaga.
Brian Bulaga.
Torrey Holt.
Who?
Torrey Holt.
Oh, very nice. I know that name. Shay Hodge. I feel like I got him last time as well.
He's Panini Prism. They got a Panini Prism of no Sean Moreno.
That's pretty cool.
That's cool.
Rayshawn Mathis.
Khalil Mack.
Nice. Kobe Ford.
Ray Crockett.
We've got him before, I think.
Yeah. So
Bryant Johnson.
I just pulled that one. Carnell Lake. It's when I go on vacation, I go to Carnell Lake.
Mr. UFT himself, Mike Sims Walker.
Perfect. Trent Dilfer. He's a total dilf.
James Davis.
This is a cool card. John Elway.
Nice.
There's card.
Smith.
Nice. I pulled the Steve Smith from the Giants in the last pack. Terrell Davis.
Shawnee Merriman.
Another Terrell Davis.
This one's in plastic. This one's wrapped in plastic. Tavares King, Georgia wide receiver. Clear Ultra 2013 rookie card. Congratulations, you have received a trading card autographed by Tavares King.
Who's he hit?
This trading card was signed in the presence of a company representative or sent from certified. That's awesome. Oh, that's a legit.
Yeah, that's the one I had from the other one. They come like it's a real legit signature. Who is that? Tavares King?
That's so cool.
Well, there's some that are going for like $100, $15 around there.
$100 or $15.
Yeah, it depends.
It
It depends on the card, but not bad. Put that in a cool thing.
it's going in the very cool pile.
Charles Mann,
Oh man, he was the man. Randy Moss.
Herman Moore,
Nice. Mr. Chad Ochocinco.
ooh, that's dope. That's cool.
Cool pile.
On there. Another Peerless Price.
Nice. Owen Daniels.
Steve Hutchinson.
Nice. James Harrison.
Charlie Garner.
Cool. Michael Jenkins.
Oh, this is a cool one. A Topps Chrome Sean Alexander.
Antonio Gandy Golden.
It's a lot. It's a mouthful.
Rookie card.
Joey Browner.
Nice. Jalen Hurts.
This is cool. It's a Brad Johnson.
Nice.
That's some
Cool looking card. Austin Mack.
Oh, Return of the Mac. Troy Aikman, 1993
Nice.
card.
Jacob Eason. Quarterback.
The cool thing, even if these are loose, the condition is still great. Charles Sims rookie.
Nice.
Like this card doesn't look like it's
This one's pretty cool.
30 years old.
All-American T. Higgins.
Oh, that's cool. T. Higgs.
T. Higgs. You want to skip these Notre Dame cards, or you want to just do a quick?
Let's just do them. I wish it came with bubble gum. ASMR.
Reggie Barrett.
Sugar Bowl.
Is that his name?
Nope, that's the game.
That's the game. Tim Brown.
Stacy Toran.
University of Notre Dame 100. Collegiate edition 1990.
John Carney.
Yo Heap.
Dan Devine. I want Rudy.
Rudy. November 9th, 1946.
What a day it was. Jack Cannon.
24 years ago. November 2nd, 1935.
Ed Moose Krause.
Nice. November 1st, 1913. Game Army.
Wayne Milner.
November 10th, 1928.
1924 National Champions. There they are. Wow, what a great college pack of cards. I bet you we're definitely like just throwing like $1 million random Notre Dame card.
Oh, yeah, 100%.
All right, here we go. I wish you can get a Panini pack instead of these Leafs. I don't even know if they'll come. Let's see if they're the same thing again. Was your pack orange or yellow?
Yellow.
Oh, okay. Tyler Johnson rookie.
Henry Ruggs III. Ruggs.
Oh, this one I like. Jonathan Taylor rookie.
Oh, cool.
That's a good one.
Albert Okwuegbunam.
You got a CD Lamb rookie.
Nice. Michael Pittman Jr. Pickup of the week.
This is a big one.
Rookie.
Joe Burrow rookie.
Nice. There's your hit.
There it is. And I got a Jalen Hurts.
Nice. Isaiah Simmons and Jordan Love.
Nice. I was waiting for one of these quarterbacks to come. We needed a Joe Burrow.
I'm all done. You done?
Yep, we're all done. All right. Thank you for joining us for episode 3. Be sure to tune in next week for episode 4.
Love it.
Goodbye.
Good.